But Hazur.
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam.
My name is Kuratul Ain Mohan. My question today is, our missionaries gain an incomparable amount of knowledge by attending Jamia Ahmadiyya. As an Ahmadi girl, I would also like to gain such knowledge. Can Hazur please advise on how can we also attain such a level of knowledge?
So incomparable knowledge, they get it from the Jamia Ahmadiyya, and you girls are deprived of that knowledge. That is your question. Huh? Yes?
Yes, Hazur.
Acha. So, those countries who are now well established, they have started Aisha Diniyat class for girls and Hafizun also. So, in their classes, girls are also getting education with regards to their religious knowledge, and also at the same time they are memorizing the Holy Quran and becoming Hafza. So when Mauritius Jamaat is well established, although it is established, but I think you're still lacking the resources. So when you have enough resources, I hope some training courses will also be started for girls here in Mauritius, because it is difficult to send you out to any of the international Jamia. There is no, although also at the same time, there is no international Jamia Ahmadiyya for girls. So for the time being, you have to increase your knowledge by reading yourself and struggling hard for obtaining that knowledge, right? So I'm sorry that for the time being we cannot make any arrangement for you, but still you can increase your knowledge by reading the books of the Prophet Messiah Islam and the other Jamaati literature, right? Okay, next.